Hi everybody, welcome to the EduFriends Afrikaans reading course. This is book 7 of phase 3. The title is A Eetkamer, which in English means a dining room. Tablecloth, tafeldoek, tafeldoek, tafeldoek. Table, tafel, tafel, tafel. Chair, stoel, stoel, stoel. Candle, kers, kers, kers. Candle holder, blaker, blaker, blaker. Ornament, 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 ornament. Vase, 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 vase. Teapot, 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 teapot. Teacups, teekoppies, teekoppies, teekoppies. Painting, skildery, skildery, skildery. Frame, raam, raam, raam. Let's practice some Afrikaans sentences. In English we would read, "This is my grandmother's dining room." And in Afrikaans, "Dit is my ouma se eetkamer." Dit is my ouma se tafeldoek. Dit is my ouma se tafel. Dit is my ouma se stoel. Dit is my ouma se kers. Dit is my ouma se blaker. This is my grandmother's ornament. Dit is my ouma se ornament. Dit is my ouma se vaas. Dit is my ouma se teepot. Dit is my ouma se teekoppies. Dit is my ouma se skildery. Dit is my ouma se raam.